Hi guys, it's Miss Debbie from the Appomattox Regional Library System, and today I have a fun parent DIY. We're going to make tic-tac-toe rocks. Now these are super easy to make and they're really fun. This can definitely be an older child's craft, but it also makes a great parent DIY. Start by coloring 5 of your rocks one color and the other 5 another color. You're going to do multiple coats, so don't worry about making it completely perfect. In between coats, let it dry so your paint has a chance to build up instead of just smearing around. You will need to paint the back at least one time, and that's just to seal in your paint so it doesn't start peeling starting in the back. Now once you're done and your rocks are all dry, it's time to do details. I decided to do polka dots, but you can do stripes or zigzags or leave them completely blank and just put X's and O's on them. It's completely up to you. Once your details are done, it's time to add your O's and your X's. Now I decided to use a paint marker, but you can definitely use a paintbrush as well, or a Sharpie marker. What I decided to do was do white and outline it in black. So I used my paint marker for most of these, but I did want to show you it with a paintbrush as well. And you do want to make sure that it's completely dry when you paint your X's and O's on. One of mine was clearly a little bit wet. So you can outline it with a Sharpie marker or a paintbrush, and it just makes your X's and O's pop a little bit more. Now I'm going to show you how to do our ladybug and bumblebee craft. So to start off with, go ahead and color 1/3 of your ladybug rock black and color the other 2/3 red. And you're going to have to do this multiple times because you want to build up the color and make your rock as smooth as possible to add your details. So you want to make your rock into an awesome canvas for all those details. So keep painting your rock multiple times until you're happy with the coverage and how smooth it is, and then start doing your details. So you're going to want to put a line down your ladybug's back, and then you want to make a triangle at the end of that line to make 2 different wings, and you're going to cover that wing in little black dots. And then you want to add 2 white dots for your eyes, let it dry again, add a little white mouth and 2 dots on your ladybug's eyes to make the pupils. Next, you're going to want to do that 5 more times, and then you can move on to your bees. Now for our bees, you can go ahead and paint 5 rocks, bright yellow, and you're going to want to do multiple layers, letting it dry in between, just like before. And when you're happy with the color and the coverage, it's time to move on to your details. Now for your details on your ladybug, you're going to need your black paint and a bit of white. And start by doing a black line about 1/4 of the way down your ladybug, and then another black line near the end. And then you're going to need 2 circles for your bee's eyes. And you're going to want to do those in white. And then you're going to take your black after you let it dry and do a little bitty circles inside for their eyes and a little smile for their mouth and 2 antennae just off that first line. And then you're going to want to do some wings as well. I didn't color my wings in because bee wings are pretty transparent. Now the only thing that's left to do is to draw a tic-tac-toe board outside on the sidewalk and play with your new tic-tac-toe rocks. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft, and I hope you have a great weekend.